Hello everyone, Tim the Train Guy here once again, and today we are at Arizona Railway Museum again. Today is their open house, and yeah, we're going to be staffing this locomotive here, number Kennecott Copper, number 801, which I featured in my first episode of Locomotives of Arizona, so if you haven't checked that video out, please do so. And yeah, we're basically just going to be, documenting any cool stuff that happens. So yeah, let's go.
Alright. See what they're having trouble with my layout.
Okay.
Hold on, Mike.
Very awesome.
I remember, did you guys used to do the ones down on the fairgrounds a long time ago? That whole hall? That was so awesome.
I didn't. I've only been here 5 years.
Well, I knew it used to be there for years and years. My great-grandfather was an engineer.
I know there was big parking lots around.
How come this doesn't turn?
Yeah. But the internet site's open. Here's another thought. The bar and the console gathered option in the bar and here's the bar and console. So I'm thinking that I found a bus, they still got some engines, I don't know if they're good or not. If you need an engine.
Oh, okay.
Is it a diesel or?
No, it's
Steam.
steamer.
Oh,
Steamer.
well, they're plug-ins, yeah. They're
Yeah.
plug-ins,
So I'm helping out over at Boxcar, and I just thought I'd come by.
How'd they talk you into that?
Pardon?
Who talked you into that?
Well, I just wandered down there.
Really?
Talk about God. It's pretty good. He picked up with the automatic stop.
It'll feel like it's going to run on you a little bit going that way because you're kind of downhill.
Alright, let's go.
Yep.
Oh, make sure is it on?
Turn it on.
Okay, let's go. There we go. Alright, yeah. All right, cool. Well, everyone, that's about it for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, or don't. I'm not your dad. I can't tell you what to do. So, yeah, as always, thank you all for watching, and bye for now.